We want to make some mandazis, flour, cardamom, sugar, margarine, baking powder, the wet ingredients, water or milk, or guys, you can decide to use milk, pure milk. You can decide to use coconut milk. It will be very, very yummy. And the nut milk, yeah. But if you're making mandazi for home, for your children, for you use something that will give you some nutrients. Yeah, let's add water now. Or here I have diluted milk. That is what I'm using for our mandazi. So this is what we'll be using to cut the shapes. Guys, our mandazi are ready.